Hello viewers, today we are dealing with the regulation of glycogen degradation by cyclic AMP. The hormones like epinephrine and glucagon bring about glycogenolysis by their action on glycogen phosphorylase through cyclic AMP. Glycogen phosphorylase exists in two forms, an active A form and inactive form B. The cyclic AMP form due to hormonal stimulus activates cyclic AMP dependent protein kinase. This active protein kinase phosphorylates inactive form of glycogen phosphorylase kinase to active form. The active phosphorylase kinase phosphorylates inactive glycogen phosphorylase B to active glycogen phosphorylase A, which degrades glycogen. The enzyme protein phosphatase first can dephosphorylated and convert active glycogen phosphorylase A to inactive B form. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.